Why does this water with high TDS look so different?
Great question. Let's dive into high versus low TDS water and find out what's better for your health.
This water has a lot of dissolved solids. Think minerals and salts. While some minerals are good, too much can lead to a funky taste and potential health issues.
TDS levels, usually above 200 ppm,
Can cause water to taste salty or bitter. And if it goes above 500 ppm, it might even lead to health problems like kidney stones or hypertension.
Ew! This tastes like an unhealthy version of karele ka juice.
Now let's talk about low TDS water. This is your clear, refreshing choice,
TDS levels typically under 200 ppm, meaning fewer dissolved solids.
resulting in better taste and potentially healthier water. Low TDS water often retains essential minerals while ensuring it doesn't taste bland. Plus, it's generally safer and more hydrating.
Wow! This is so much better.
So what's the takeaway? High TDS water can impact both taste and health negatively, while low TDS water is typically your best choice for taste and hydration. But always remember, it also depends on whether your water source is contaminated. Even with low TDS, if the source is contaminated, you might still face health issues.
Curious about your water quality? Remember to check those TDS levels.
And subscribe for more tips on staying hydrated and healthy.